In this training, I'll be walking you guys through on how you can design ebook cover and a mock-up, okay? Because you can't just download a PLR product and then start selling right away. There has to be a little bit of changes to the mock-up and ebook cover. So here is what we'll be doing in this training. So first thing first, let's head over to Canva. Okay, in case you don't have Canva on your phone, just head over to Google Play Store, type CANV. As you can see, Canva, CANVA. Canva actually helps you to design any graphic in an easiest way. Alright, so now over here, what we'll have to type is to come over to this side. To this side, search your contents or canvas. Okay, just click on it. Then let's try typing something of ebook. Okay, so yeah, just click on search. Okay, so in this ebook, there are different type of a template you can use and edit. Okay, so instead of you using the actual ebook cover for that product, for that PLR, you just have to design a quick ebook cover and a mock-up. Okay, so now as you can see, there are different type of templates you can use, but here this and this can't be used. Okay, this is pro and this is paid. Before you use this, you have to pay for a pro version and the other one also. So here, wherever you see something of this, okay, you can see here this basic design. There's nothing like pro or paid in it. So that means these can be used for your design. Okay, they are free. And as you can see over here, I think I like this. You can actually go for this. Introduction to online business. But if you think this is not really good enough, you can just keep on scrolling. There are different types of templates you can make a use of. So can you see this? The guidebook for new UGC content creator. Can you see this one? Brand guideline. Can you see different? Okay, yeah, let's make use of this. Get passive income as a freelancer. Okay, so click on this. So for an instance, let's say the product we are trying to market or we are trying to promote is called Cash Out PLR Mastery. Okay, Cash Out PLR Mastery. So what you will do in here is just to change the name to Cash Out PLR Mastery, and then include your name as the content creator or as the course creator or as the PLR creator. Okay, so that you can as well stand out in a marketplace. It's loading. Why is it loading late? It's loading. So can you see it? You just have to click the side as you want to edit, then click on edit. Can you see it? So you can as well delete this or edit it. So just delete and then write Cash Out PLR Mastery integration. Okay, so can you see this? Cash Out PLR Mastery integration. So here you can just change the name to Olamide Jacob. Are you seeing this? Can you see that? So this is cool. Here, career tips, you can just include your, let's say, your company name. Let's say money making. Can you see that? So you see all is looking perfect now. So if you have any types of let's say image or photos that you want to include in here, okay, you can delete this if you don't want all these. and then include the one you want to include. But here, for the purpose of the training, let's just leave it as it is, since we are using a template. So now come over to this side. Can you see it? Then click on it. So over here, you can as well copy the link, you can as well download, or just view, or just invite people, or just send it over to your Gmail. But here we are going over to this download. Then click on it. So now it should be on PNG, alright? So it's there, but if you think JPG is cool for you, you can go for it. So now let's try downloading it and then go for the mockup. So now just come over to this side, download. Then click on download.